Cause I don't speak dog hoes. Do y'all see what it's giving? Baby, $50 plus shipping, honey. Get it in. Let's get it. Let's get it. Show them what it's give. Show them bitch what the fuck is give.
Real tasty, real good, bitch.
Yeah.
Real tasty, real good.
Yeah.
Real tasty, real good. I did right, girl. I cooked the good, girl. It don't look like it's too much pepper. Not at all.
Exactly.
Baby, it's just perfect and right.
Exactly.
Tastes real good. She got some Kool-Aid.
Hmm.
And they just did on that. And bitch, we finna eat good over here.
Exactly.
We finna eat good over here. That's one thing about it. She said $50.
You know what, baby? $50 plus shipping, baby. Don't talk about it, honey. If you ain't got the coins, shut the fuck up. If you don't have the tokens, if you don't have the coin, shut your ugly face ass up. Great. This is my what flavor Kool-Aid? Grape house.
It tastes so good, girl.
Cause he gonna eat me like a mango.
It's so good, girl. It make a nigga wanna eat this pussy. So let me stop playing.
Bitch, you so stupid, bitch. Not making a nigga wanna eat that pussy.
That's too much. Shamar got your plate. Yeah, I did. I just want to see how the meal tastes. You can't taste the meal without it, you know?
Right.
You gotta make sure you did right. You gotta make sure you did good. You gotta make sure you know what I'm saying? Make sure you cook that shit real nice and neat.
Exactly.
Start like that right now. Now she about to cook the chicken.
Mm-hmm. I gotta make sure that it's hot. I gotta go buy some more dishwasher liquid.
Bro, this shit so goddamn good, girl.
Baby, that one of my friend fucked on your nigga. Uh-huh. Both you bitches pussy.
Fuck you nigga pussy. I think that's your sister.
Shamar, say it again, bitch. Tell the hoes again.
On some neck bones.
Yep, I put neck bones in. Oh, let me tell you. I'm gonna give it time not to cook down.
She said, well, I go live. I watch you when you go live without Shamar. Girl, okay. What be done? Bye.
Oh, please, no.
Be done. Be done, Miss Mama. Miss Mama. Be done, Miss Mama. That's what you can do. Be done.
No, we don't got no 2 pieces of chicken over here, Mikey.
Girl, these big chickens over here, baby. You gotta put them bitches in one by one.
So do.
Put them bitches in one by one, baby.
Okay. I'm gonna post some bleach in here too.
But we're gonna put the chicken in.
I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna watch TV. I'm gonna show you. I don't think dog hoes. I don't care what no bitch said.
Girl, you count my teeth, boo. As long as I ain't biting your ass, don't worry about it.
Tell her you a biter.
Cause I'll bite your ass and then you keep talking. Wait, give me them flowers.
Huh?
Give me them flowers.
Okay.
Cause that's what I'm on, that chicken I'm on doing. Since they want to run their motherfucking mouth, the hell wrong with them?
And that's on the who?
That's on the motherfucking period.
Give me that bleach right there. Say, bitch, that's why my friend fucked on your nigga. Uh-huh. That bitch snap. That bitch said, both of you bitches pussy. Y'all think y'all some scissor?
Let me know what that was doing.
Yeah, I said, yo, this ain't doing this. So this still, bleeding a little.
Fuck your bitch's pussy. I think y'all should sister. Or should I say, I think y'all should scissor.
Bitch, you had me crying like that. And then we're gonna set this right here. We're gonna set this right here. Cause I need to, I don't think
Hey.
dog. Oh, what they say?
She talking about I'm dying.
Oh, they laughing at you. I told y'all, he's funny when he say it. Say it again, Shamar. I don't
They said
feed.
what?
He said, Shamar, I don't feed dog hoes.
I don't give a fuck what that bitch said.
I
But
said,
yeah.
oh man, I got condos on that bitch head.
I got condos in that bitch head.
She say she don't fuck with me. Who say that you did?
Girl, I don't even get why you trying to get on my teeth talking about I got 60 teeth. Bitch, I'll bite your fucking face off keep goddamn talking. Bitch, I'm so sick of your ugly ass keep motherfucking running your motherfucking mouth, girl. It don't even make no sense. You just love come for me for no reason. And I ain't talking about everybody on this live. I'm talking about one ugly ass, lame ass, dusty, crusty ass, money hungry looking bitch ass, bitch like her.
Say, ow.
I'm talking to one comment. Bitch, stop trying to come with my motherfucking teeth before I bite your mother... Bitch, I'll bite your ass, ho.
Do it again.
Bitch,
Do it again, Shamar.
Bitch, don't fucking play with me. The fuck?
So, baby, we from the motherfucking... We from the motherfucking...
Okay, so what we gotta put?
No, we ain't good.
We're over here blood and chicken. But you know what? That's okay, because get away. It put more blood in my veins. You know, they call me the vampire. They call me the vampire because I bite bitches. I bit a hole through a bitch's leg. And her name was motherfucking Mimi. Girl, I bit a hole through that bitch's leg.
Now bite that hoe.
Girl, we were standing on the apartment called the Condon.
Uh-huh.
Before they end up getting changed. Girl, yeah. Girl. Me and her got the fine girl. And then thing, you know, she had me in this motherfucking position to get her ass on me. I said, okay. She got it. Bitch, I bit her motherfucking ass.
How you feel
So when I
about it?
bit that hoe, I had no other choice but to get that hoe up off of me. So when I bit that hoe, my thing went right through her goddamn leg. It went right through her pants and her leg. That bitch had to scream and holler. That bitch had to go to the hospital to go get her goddamn leg checked out. Bitch, stop playing with me.
Cause we'll bite y'all bitches. Why y'all bitches don't hit come out some motherfuckers trying to talk shit?
And this ain't no motherfucking lie. You can ask the girl Mimi and she'll tell y'all. He did bite me. Like, yeah, I bit that hoe. I bit that hoe. And everybody else that was fighting me in the apartment, I was biting their ass too. I was punching their ass too. I was fighting with them, but at the same time, I was biting their ass too. And then I had stabbed one boy, but I ain't go to jail for it. And my mama did either. So yeah, I stabbed to their ass.
Exactly.
That was when I was like young as fuck. I was young as fuck at that time. I was out there fighting with everybody in the apartment. I'm talking about fighting with everybody in them damn apartments. I never forget.
I don't speak dog hoes. I don't care what no bitch said.
I'm sure she did. Hell yeah, she did. Yeah, she did. And then so she seen me at Camp Creek. She said, like, Shawai, yo, remember me? I'm the girl who you bit. Yeah, I do remember you, girl. I remember you, girl. How you doing? Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Nice to see you again. Hello. Nice to see you again. Da-da-da. And go to voice.
Shamar, what is that? Yeah. Tell to bite the salt off your
baby,
back.
I ain't gotta get away. If I get my teeth pulled, baby, you might want to cash out to get my teeth pulled.
Exactly.
You want to cash out to get my teeth pulled? Cause baby, the cash app is always available. If you want to cash out to get my teeth pulled, please do that, and I politely love for you to send some money. So soon you send some money, I'm going straight to the dentist, and I'm going to get these bitches pulled. Cause I got overbites too. So what's up? What's up? A lot of people say, oh, you got 60 teeth in your mouth? Okay, what's up? You want to send some money? Huh? Hello? I don't hear shit. Okay.
Period.
I got condos in that bitch head. Okay.
I know that because let me put this. We can put this on here. This.
Oh, and she put her chicken on the napkin.
Mm-hmm.
I like how she put her chicken on the napkin.
Yeah, cause it drained the grease. Okay.
Probably you can afford it.
See, with everything being big, with it being big, you have to make sure that it does the.
It ain't done the other way?
See, I had to post it. I want to make sure it's done.
Oh yeah, so it ain't done yet.
So yeah, see, that was the biggest piece of chicken.
That's a fat ass chicken.
Mm-hmm. That was the biggest one. Who say that you did, ho? He gonna eat me like a mango.
I love me my ass ate. No shade,
Look,
I love
somebody
me my ass ate.
somebody said, I got condos on that bitch head. Okay, Shamar.
I do, I got condoms on that bitch head. That's why she keep coming in the comments. That's why she keep coming for me in the comments. And what about my body? And what about my body? Cause last time I checked, y'all can say what the fuck y'all want to say. But a bitch like me know how to ride dick. A bitch like me. Let's talk about it. Let's wake that ass up. Hello?
Yeah.
Yeah, me. The fuck? Let's talk about it.
What'd you say, Shamar? Yeah, me. Fuck.
And that's just that on that. Y'all can say what y'all want to say about me. But if it's like me, exactly. Ain't nothing wrong with my body.
Exactly.
One thing about it is two things for sure, baby. Ain't nothing wrong with my body, and it never was nothing wrong with my body. Even though, yeah, I walk a lot and I do what I do, but at the same time, it's getting old. Y'all talk about my body every motherfucking time. It's getting old. You bitches weak to me. You bitches weak to me. Come on, y'all.
Hey, Vicky. Hey, friend.
Try another one. Cause you bitches are weak to me. You bitches are weak. You weak as a fucking a soft ass stick.
Somebody, Mike Tyler said, wait, ain't you engaged, Shamar?
I'm not engaged. That shit been over with. I'm not engaged. I gave that person back the ring. And yeah, and then not even on that mean that person is over with. Cause I found out the shit, so. I ain't gonna tell it on here because it's not gonna tell his business, stuff like that, whatever. But yeah, I ain't gonna do that. You know, I ain't finna be with no nigga that, you know. But I'm single. I can mingle and be ready to do whatever the fuck I wanna do. So if I wanna suck dick, bitch, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna suck dick. If I wanna get fucked with a big ass King Kong goddamn 12 or 11 inch, I'm gonna get fucked with that.
Hey, Louisiana K. Louisiana
Shit, I got an
K
8
said, she said, hey,
Hey,
Louisiana
how you doing? Hey, how you doing?
Hey, hi.
Shit, if I want to get fucked with an 11 or 12 inch baby, that's what I'm gonna do. I can take a 12 or 11 inch. Something that half of these boys can't do. Cause they'll be all passed out like, oh, that hurt. Knowing me, bitch, I be, Bitch, I be moaning. Bitch, I be moaning having a neighbor hearing me, baby.
She said, oh, he like girls too?
I'm not a bad influence, bitch. Watch your mouth, hoe. I'm not a bad influence. Bitch, I'd be a bad influence to slap you.
Tell her you'll slap the dust off of her.
I slap the dust off your face, bitch. Cause your face look ugly, and it look dirty, and it look dusty. Your hair look uneven. Okay? Your eyebrow look uneven. Bitch, you just look dusty. Bitch. I've been waiting on you at the door. The fuck? Stop playing with me.
Baby, it's not the hair uneven. Somebody went to that whole hair uneven.
Her hair is uneven, her edges don't look good, her edges look nasty as fuck. It look like somebody done scrap them bitches. And them bitches just went left to right, bitch. Like, yeah, it's giving it. Yeah. They don't want to mention my mouth, but I bet you I could deep throat. Bitch, I know how to deep throat, suck dick. Bitch, I don't have to bite no dick, bitch. I can suck the dick without biting it. Bitch, I can make a nigga come without even saying a word, bitch. That's why y'all hoes don't hear my name in the motherfucking street. Cause certain niggas that I fuck with them. Okay? Bitch, my head game fine as a bitch. Okay? Bitch, the dick be right here. Okay? It be right here. You see where my hand pointing at? That's where it go. I know how to deep grow an apple. Yeah, me. Yeah, me. That's why they call me the throat baby. Cause I always motherfucking, yeah. Don't play.
Hey, y'all so brag. Hold on, let me show them the chicken. Y'all wanna see the motherfucking chicken? Show me how that chicken look.
Ready and done. Ready
Yeah.
and motherfucking done.
Yeah, y'all see the chicken. Y'all see what it's giving. Y'all see what it's giving. Yeah.
Ready and motherfucking done.
Y'all see what it's giving. Yeah.
Nah, I'm not deaf for the streets, boo. It will never get that. I'm definitely not for the streets, baby. I'm definitely not for the streets. You probably be for the streets because your mom put your fast ass out the house. Because you can't bring a nigga to her house. And she caught one of them niggas in your house and said you got to get your shit and get the fuck out. That's what your mama caught your ass doing. Prostitute ass hoe. Stop playing with me.
Exactly.
Stop playing with me. Prostitute ass hoe. Bitch, ain't no motherfucking body is for the motherfucking street, bitch. If you really want to get into it, boo, it would never get that I was for the streets, bitch. I don't have to go chasing them nigga, bitch. They come chasing me. They come chasing me. I don't have to go chasing them.
And that's all motherfucking.
Okay? If a nigga want to talk to me, that's on them if they want to talk to me. I'm just gonna see what they had it. The fuck? I'm just gonna see where they had it. Miss Mama look like she mad.
She is mad.
She real mad.
That whole real
She
mad.
big mad. She press mad.
Mm-hmm.
Like what? It's giving that. Girl, you thought you ate that, so?
Exactly.
You thought you ate that? Talk about you for the streets. Streets well.
That's that whole
You must see me in the streets.
That's that whole what she
Cause bitch, I be everywhere in the streets. Bitch, what's up? Huh? Huh? Huh?
That's that whole what she for.
What happened?
What happened?
It don't matter if I don't have a home, baby. You so worried. Do you want to go buy me a home?
Exactly.
If you want to go buy me a home, just say that. But if you don't, then shut the fuck up.
Exactly.
Cause you run your mouth a little too much, Miss Mama.
Who said that?
Some girl on here. Talk about, but I don't have a home. It doesn't matter, boo. I'm still looking for an apartment. The rent going up high. Bitch. Why you in the motherfucker comment running your motherfucker jet sucker? Girl, stop playing with me, cause if you was in my face, girl, I'll put you in your shit. I don't give a fuck about none of that. I don't give a fuck about none of that. If you think I do, baby, I don't give a fuck about none of that. I don't care about none of that. So all that you talking about, you better watch what you say, bitch. Cause you might be on your last month rent and about your motherfucking, and you might be on your, you probably be on your last month rent and can't even afford to pay your motherfucking rent cause your rent too motherfucking high. And guess what, bitch? You might get put out. So stop playing on my motherfucking pussy. Okay? Stop playing on my motherfucking pussy. Cause you playing on my pussy too much. My pussy is tingling a little too much. I don't need you to be have my pussy tingling. Cause when it tingles, then that's when I'm a skirt, bitch. Okay? My pussy is gonna skink. Hello. Da-da-da. Wake up. The fuck? You sound crazy. You sound dumb. Like Burt Doug. The fuck? Next. I'm not bringing no negativity. I'm just saying. I'm just saying, cause you try to comfort me. But I ain't reading no negativity. I'm just reading the bitches that want to talk shit. That's who I'm reading. I'm reading the bitches that want to comfort me. That want to say my name. That want to, you know, da-da-da. But, of course, we all know, Crazy Chick is here. Okay.
And that's on period.
And they just on a motherfucking period. You can never stop playing.
Exactly.
But she's right here. Okay?
The queen.
The big queen.
The big queen.
Her.
Hello.
Oh my god.
Hello. Touch my hello.
Girl, and then this right here, I got this was for goddamn fine or whatever for fine. My head don't goddamn whistle. I don't know how the hell that happened. But they had scratched my ass before.
Really? Oh, it's my, oh yeah.
Man, when I saw that, I said, how the fuck did I get a scratch on my face? Like, what the fuck? I'm starting doing all the damn punching, but you're scratching
But
me.
you are scratching me.
Like a little meow ass cat.
And that's just on motherfucking him.
Like, what the fuck? Oh my god, this shit look like...
What?
It look like somebody just really just got there and scratched me. Like, what the fuck?
Ain't that what you saying, Shamar?
Both of your bitches pussy, I think y'all should scissor. No, I'm not always getting beat up. I'm not always getting beat up. Okay, one thing about it, I'm not always getting beat up. It's just the simple fact that bitches don't know how to fight one-on-one with me. They want to jump. You feel me? They want to jump. They don't want to fight one-on-one because they know if they fight me one-on-one, they know I'm going to tear that ass up. They know I'm going to whoop that ass. One thing about it, I don't give a fuck. I've been fighting since I was young. Okay? I've been fighting since I was young. Don't get me wrong. I've been fighting since I was young. Like I was... What? Bitch, I'll fight a tall nigga. I'll fight a tall bitch. I'll fight a fat hoe. I'll fight a fat nigga. I'll fight a skinny nigga. I'll fight whoever. I don't give a fuck. I'll fight whoever. But a lot of people tell me stop fighting because it ain't good to be fighting. I'm too pretty to be fighting. And yes, I am too pretty to be fighting with bum ass, lame ass, ugly ass, dusty ass, shitty ass, fishy ass hoes. I'm tired of fighting with them hoes. And you're right, folks is gonna talk. They're gonna want a dick sucker. Just like yesterday when I was down in Midtown or whatever, I went to go Westland, and girl, some little fag gonna ride past me talking about crocodile, whatever, trying to be funny. And I said, bitch, you doing all that damn talking, but you ain't getting out the car standing in my face. So they turned the corner, and they went on by their business. I said, oh yeah, them hoes ain't talking about nothing. And I was by myself. I wasn't with nobody, I was by myself. I was by my motherfucking self. I wasn't with nobody.
Shamar, you making them laugh by what that boy said.
I wasn't with nobody. I wasn't with Tommy, Ty, Trez. I wasn't with one of them, bitch. I was by myself when I was popping my motherfucking shit. And I told that hoe, bitch, you saying all that, bitch, said in my face. Bitch, you in that ugly, regular ass motherfucking 2000 motherfucking 9 ass car. That regular ass piece of shit, bitch. You ain't gonna run up, you ain't gonna do shit, bitch. And I'm right here. And that's how I was looking at her. With a serious face. What now he said? Why you looking at me like that?
Who said that?
Nelly. So why you looking at me like that? That's what I did. Why you looking at me like that? What's up?
She told me.
And now the voice, bitch, don't play. Cause my phone is broke, y'all.
What they at?
They said why I'm not on my phone, cause my phone is
Yeah,
broke.
his phone broke. He waiting on a new one now. His phone broke. He waiting on a new one.
Yeah, I'm waiting on my new phone. So when I do get my new phone, I'm gonna get my number changed over to the new phone or whatever. And then after I get my number changed over to the new phone, I'm gonna be able to use that phone. Ooh, and by the way, I can go live on a new phone too.
Yeah,
So it's like, it's giving very much new everything, bitch. Y'all gonna see me on live very soon. Stay tuned. Da-da-da. In my fucking bitch gutter voice.
Period.
And you been crying. What you mean you been crying? What you been crying about, sister? What you been crying about? What's wrong? What's going on? What you crying for?
Tell us, Shamar, what's the game?
Girl, stop trying to get on my motherfucking eye. Y'all always love getting on my eye like, bitch. Bitch, I wish you just go cockeyed. I wish you could just go cross-eyed. And say, bitch, girl, it's so crazy. Because y'all just don't got no filter. Matter of fact, what that whole ass see?
Oh, he gonna be on me before you find her, so you know what I'm
Oh, she right here. She right here.
You found her.
Mm-hmm.
You ain't blocked the wrong person, did Shamar?
Who?
Let me see.
You want me to block this bitch?
All right, let me see. Let me see her comment.
Her comment, look. This her comment.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, block her.
This bitch gotta go. See you later, Miss Mama.
Right there. Do bad right there. Mm-hmm.
Bye. Now you ain't gonna be able to see it. Oh, I didn't even see what you said. So I didn't even see what you said. Hey, enemies. Hey, how you doing? Yeah, my hair ain't done. The reason why my hair ain't done is because I gotta go on this goddamn show
I told
tomorrow,
but
and
how
I don't want to get my hair done, and then my shit gets snatched off.
But
I don't want to get my hair done, and my shit gets snatched off. Cause you know when you fight, they be ready to pull your shit. So for them to be putting my wig, okay, I bitch could really pull my real hair. Cause when you pull my real hair, they gonna give me an opportunity to pull your shit off. So we both just gonna be like this. Bitch, that's how we gonna do. When a bitch got my hair like this, bitch, I'm gonna be uppercut with that hoe. Cause we both gonna have each other hair. So if she pull my hair, I'm gonna pull her shit. And if she got me, bitch, I'm uppercut that hoe. Boom. I'm uppercut that hoe. What? Bitch, don't have me. Don't do that. Don't do that. Bitch, I'm locked and loaded, and I'm ready. I'm ready for a hoe. Bitch, they all might pop out of play, but I'm pop that bitch back in play. Like I did with everybody else.
exactly.
See, if my arm would have never popped out of place, when them hoes jumped me, then yeah. But it's still, they jumped me and I got near KFC. Cause the bitch thought she was coming by herself. I'm thinking the bitch coming by herself. But she pulled up with a whole crew. Come run in motherfucking store. Bitch, soon that hoe came running in the store, I popped off on that hoe. Bitch, I popped off on that hoe. Bitch, you ain't finna get close to me. Bitch, you ain't finna get close to me. I don't give a fuck if you're an old ass bitch. You ain't finna get close to me and think you finna come fight me. Who, girl, bye. Girl, I'ma knock your ass. The fuck? No, it ain't that I already didn't make the bed. Oh, damn, you got a cut right here. Oh, girl. But yeah, it ain't that I made the bad boy club. With that being said, it was a lot going on anyway. But who knows if I did? You never know. And even if I did, I don't give a fuck. Cause guess what? I can go for the next season.
And the season after that.
And the season after that. And the season after that. Okay? So, goodbye. My hands are clean, boo. I'm light skinned, so my hands are clean.
I'm trying to see. Put that thing in a bag, dude. Oh, here it comes. I'm gonna put these onions.
But I'm about to be on Zodiac House tomorrow, so y'all better stay tuned.
Right. I'm gonna put these tonight. I'm gonna put these in the deep freeze.
Also, you ain't cooking them?
But it's gonna be too much.
It's gonna be too much to endure.
Okay, bitch, you better sing it, ho.
Girl, you so damn quick to say twisted. Girl, I know you ain't talking about Santana Beach. Cause if you talking about Santana Beach, you might as well get your ass blocked up out of here.
Yeah.
Fuck are you talking about? Goodbye. I have seen DK, but I ain't seen him ever since then. The DK is like somewhere at a crack house, probably hitting the pipe.
Who is DK?
DK is one of my ex.
Oh.
But I ain't gonna lie, DK did have some good dick too. He had some good ass dick, bitch. He had my goddamn legs in the goddamn window. Window was wide open and everything. Cars flying past and everything, girl. I said, oh my God. I said, you know what? This is one freaky ass bitch. Yep, I'm sure this a nappy head ass. Yup, I sure the fuck is. And you a nappy ass bitch.
Hold on. Who that is? Hey, Brian.
Talk about nappy head ass. Huh? I'ma show you a nappy head ass. Bitch. Now get your nappy head ass up out of here. The same reason why I have a girl with if I got some teeth and my mouth hot, that's because I got a good I got too many teeth, don't I? I got so many teeth and make your motherfucking daddy wanna come snatch these bitches out. But your daddy ain't gonna wanna come snatch them out, he gonna want some head. Cause I'm bitch, stop playing. Stop playing. Stop playing. Stop playing.
Come on. Yeah.
Stop playing.
Who say that you did, ho?
I got condom in that bitch head. Y'all call me that head all y'all want to. That shit ain't phasing me. I hope y'all know that.
Exactly.
I hope y'all know that shit ain't phasing me when y'all call me a nappy-head ass bitch. When y'all call me a nappy-head ass, that shit don't faze me at all. Cause I got more hair than every last one of you hoes. Some of you hoes don't even got no motherfucking edges. Some of you hoes be bald headed to the scalp. So bitch, you can never fuck with a bitch like me. Bitch, ain't no hoe or no nigga finna fucking try me, bitch. Okay? When a motherfucker put on my hair, they better be putting on my hair, hitting me for the back. Tell me shut the fuck up and take that dick and I'ma do it. Okay? Tell me shut the fuck up and take that dick and I'm like, yes, daddy, I will. Okay? Both of you bitches pussy. I think y'all should scissor. The fuck? I got condoms in them bitches' head. So when a nigga pull my nappy ass head, bitch, they hitting for the back. Bitch. And they just dead on motherfucking neck. Okay? You can never play with a bitch like me. Okay? Okay. Baby, where's my edges? Don't worry about where my edges. The fuck? You still worry about me? Y'all somebody with my edges, baby. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. You still worry about my damn edges. Don't worry about it. Okay? Just know I got hair, boo. It ain't long as fuck. Oh. Oh, look at my hair. It's so long. I like when a nigga put on my hair while they hear me for the. That shit is so motherfucking like. Like, yeah. It's giving. It's giving. Shamar got hair for real. That's what they. Oh, and I should give me a haircut tomorrow.
Mm-hmm. If you don't want to wear your wig.
I need to give me a haircut.
Yeah, if you don't want to wear your wig.
For real? I need to give me a haircut. Shut up, I love Betty. Shut up, I love Booty. Huh?
The reunion.
Where?
With Barbie.
Oh, girl, turn on.
Fine. Let's hold on.
Cause I want to see who had fine. I want to see who got knocked.
Go put it on.
And look like Bama got knocked too.
I need to go get that.
Cause he did hit somebody. Somebody had hit him.
I'm suffering from what. I need to go put them clothes in the dryer.
Shut up, I love Booty. She my little Betty. Duty let me do a goddamn Duty let me come out with a show.
No, the chicken almost done, huh?
I said I need to talk to them.
Who?
Dude. I see.
The food almost done.
Hold on. Girl, I gotta watch this, girl. But I wanna see it.
Yeah, I think I'm watching too.
Yeah, I gotta tell her that thank you too.
What?
The lady that sitting out there with me.
Oh yeah, uh-huh. Y'all make sure y'all get y'all house shoes. Hey Isha, some cabbage green cornbread.
Big Purr. Oh, they gonna,
Some cabbage green cornbread, macaroni and chicken.
I can't believe I was on live with all of them. You heard me?
I had talked to Allen Boy. I had wound up talking to Allen Boy and the Heavyset guy. I ain't never talked to the rest of them, but I had wound up talking to Allen Boy then.
This right here. The light skinned dude. Girl, he gay.
Yeah, I know.
He get his ass laid by a nigga. They try to lie to Bobby and say he don't like boys. Voila. You know. Look at him. Nigga ain't give me more like a clock test vibe.
Baby, go put y'all orders in. Baby, $50 plus shipping. I mean, without shipping. Look at Roller Ray. $50 with free shipping. It's $50 with free shipping. No, me William, I ain't mad at you, boo. What I probably mad at you about? I ain't mad at you, me William, honey. Honey, I've been cooking. Girl, let me get rid of your stinking ass crust. There you go, bitch. You ain't gotta want them, but let me get rid of that ass. Want that block button. How about that, boo? Want that block button. Cause I was cooking, Miss Fisher. I'm sorry, I was cooking. Go ahead, order Miss Weed. Go ahead, order you a pair, Miss Weed. What are you getting for the $50?
Bitch, I wanna fuck him.
Oh yeah, he fine.
Someone said, Real, whatever his
Yeah,
name is.
Real
Girl, I
fine.
wanna fuck him, girl.
This was
I'll let him, babe. I'll let him blow my back out.
$50 for the
I ain't
eyewear.
even lying. I'll let him blow my
This
back
for the
out.
eyewear and the slippers with free shipping, honey. Baby, if you gonna complain about it, don't worry about buying them. Just shut the fuck up. Girl, knock these off. There you go, knock that off. How do we order? I take cash out. How much the apron? The apron is the apron is 20. For the prickly chick apron is 20. How much and what size? Whatever size, I'll make it a pair in real. Okay, me wing, inbox me, boo. You know I'm gonna be promoting for you anyway, so you gotta inbox me. Down it, buddy. They once I order them, they come real quick. Whatever size you wear, that's the size that I can get. If you wear a goddamn 15, if you wear 15, I can get a 15. If you wear a 15. If you wear a 12, I can get you a 12. If you wear 11, I can get you 11. You wear 6, I can get you a 6. This the apron right here. Okay, let me show y'all. This the apron. The priceless chick apron. This the apron, y'all. You can get them in all colors. This the apron. Yeah, you can get the apron. Also, the shirt is $30 plus shipping. The shirt is $30 plus shipping. Buddy, the apron right here, bitch. Okay, boo. Just cash out me 20, boo, and I got you, boo. Cash out me 20. I need a discount, baby. No, baby, that is a discount. You get free shipping. You pay $50 for your order, and you get free shipping. Why do you allow? Baby, I'm not gonna read that no more. I definitely came back and still hear chicken frying. Oh, good, bitch. You gonna continue to hear fry, bitch. Now I can get you one that have pockets, boo. How much the apron? $20. The apron is $20. Let me get a red apron. You want a red one, boo? Okay, my cash app pinned at the bottom. I'm gonna inbox you. Okay, boo. Inbox me. I need a purple. Okay, inbox me, Miss Adams. The aprons are $20. Can I see the shirt? Yes, Miss Miles. You can see the shirt, boo. How do I order? How much? You can cash out me. My cash app is $priceless chick 35. That's my cash app. $priceless chick 35. My cash app is pinned at the bottom. You got it in purple? Yep, I can get it in purple, pink, whatever color you want, boo. How much is all them, including the apron? The apron is 20, and the set is 50. So, if you talking about with the shirt as well, it's gonna run you like a good 90, a good $90, Miss Tanya, with free shipping. But y'all gotta be prepared. Y'all gotta be serious now. Do you have all colors? Yep, Shanika, I can get any color you want. I'm actually putting orders in. How long for shipping? Let's just say, let's just say this, y'all. Let's just say this. If you put your orders in now, hey sister. Let's just say you put your orders in now. I can get you a bonnet as well. I haven't came out with the bonnets, but I can most definitely get you a bonnet. But let's just say you put your orders in now. If you put your orders in now, you can most definitely get them within a couple days. Like, cause to be honest, they only take like a week for them to come. They take a week for them to come. Yeah, that's a priceless chick bonnet. Hey, Regina. Yeah, that's a priceless chick bonnet on your head. If so, how much is that? The priceless chick bonnet is gonna run you like 24. Oh, yes, baby. Yes, because the 90 with free shipping ain't bad. Exactly, Elmo. $90 for free shipping. That's what I'm saying. Most of y'all on here complaining about the price. The price is the price at the end of the day. If you're not, I'm gonna be honest. I'm just being real. If you're not gonna pay for it, don't worry about it. Just shut the hell up. The price is the price. So I'm doing free chicken. Free chicken. Yes, I'm about business. That's just me. I'm sorry. I'm about business. Because first of all, Mika, you talking about get my price right, boo boo. Let me just say this to you, baby. I was answering somebody's question. Somebody had asked me a question, boo boo. So I had to I answered their question. Somebody asked me how much for all. Okay, so they didn't just say how much just for the shoes, boo boo. So baby, get your mind together. Thank you, Regina. I could do them cheaper than that. Well, Marissa, guess what? And the minute you use my logo, bitch, the minute I'ma sue your weak ass. How about that? And bitch, I got real papers on my shit. So bitch, the minute you call yourself try to use my motherfucking logo to go motherfucking make shirts, bitch, I'm gonna sue the motherfucking pads off your motherfucking duster ass. So you go for what you know, hoe. Well, you'll get the discount is the free shipping. Damn, how many discount y'all ass want? The discount is the black people, black people, black people. Y'all does the most black people, black people. I tell you. Yep, Tanya, you can inbox me, boo. Hey, Lorenzo. Exactly, Passion. Baby, hey, Miss Simmons. No, because y'all got the chicken on low. That's why y'all, I'm gonna have to come back and look at it. Mama's gonna make her corns right now. Nah, babe, my chicken ain't burnt. I know how to cook. Am I able to wash it? Yep, you can wash it, boo. Yep, you can most definitely wash it. I ain't going nowhere tomorrow. We go on this side doing these little orders. I ain't going nowhere though. Look, baby, my price is my price, boo-boo. Let me say this. Let me get y'all together. Because, honey, I see y'all getting stuff misconstrued. So I'm about to get y'all together because y'all getting stuff misconstrued. Yeah, I just turned it over. Yeah, it ain't done. I just turned it over. Yep, I just turned it over. Exactly. That's what I'm doing. I'm slow cooking my chicken. I'm not finna cook no chicken real fast. This shit gonna be half done. I know, baby.